Rabbi habli hukma wa lakni bis salihin. O Lord, grant me wisdom and join me among the righteous. Respectable Deputy Governor, State Bank, Pakistan, Honorable Chancellor, President IOBM, distinguished guests, esteemed scholars and participants, Assalamu alaikum. First and foremost, let us express our gratitude to Allah, the Almighty, for His grace and guidance that we have enabled us to come together for this significant event. The 8th International Conference on Islamic Banking and Finance brings together experts, scholars, policymakers from over 20 countries united by shared commitment to advancing the field of Islamic banking and finance. The theme of this year's conference, Innovation and Sustainability, the role of Islamic banking and finance in navigating the future landscape, is both timely and essential. As we face global transformations, Islamic finance offers an ethical framework that stands as a model of responsible practices in an era of rapid technological, economic, and environmental changes. This two-day conference is structured to provide platform for thought-provoking discussion, insightful presentations, and collaborative engagements. We have a rich lineup of sessions planned to explore the intersection of innovation and sustainability in Islamic banking and finance. The session includes inaugural addresses from the distinguished leaders and experts in the field of finance. This will set the tone of this conference. Keynote speeches by the renowned scholars and industry experts, offering deep insight into the latest trend, research, and innovation shaping the future of Islamic finance. Panel discussion will feature experts from academia, industry, and regulatory bodies. These panels will cover a wide range of topics such as financial inclusion, digital transformation, responsible investment, and integration of sustainability principles into Islamic banking practices. The most important, the networking breaks, designed to facilitate meaningful connection among the participants, enabling opportunities for collaboration and partnership beyond this conference. This conference will also include special session dedicated to explore the role of Islamic finance in achieving SDGs, showcasing how Islamic banking can contribute to a more equitable and sustainable financial ecosystem. As we embark to this journey, over the next 2 days, I encourage you to all participate actively, engage with your peers, and draw your diverse perspective gathered here. This conference is more than a forum for dialogue, but it is a catalyst for actionable strategies that can shape the future of Islamic banking finance. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our sponsors, partners, and organizing committee, especially Professor Dr. Imamuddin, Director, Islamic Research Center at IOBM, whose dedication has been instrumental in bringing this event to life. A special thanks also to the higher management of IOBM for their unwavering support. We hope this conference inspires new ideas, foster collaboration, and contributes to the advancement of Islamic banking finance on the global scale. Thank you once again for being here. We look forward for a fruitful and impactful conference. Thank you.